Volvo EX30 Quick Tips. The EX30 app pairing. To pair the EX30 app with your car, ensure you've downloaded the app and created your Volvo ID. Then, with your smartphone in hand, sit in your EX30 and follow the app prompts. Connect to your EX30. Confirm you've received your EX30 and that you're physically in your car when prompted by the app. Navigate to Profiles on your center display to continue pairing. Next, scan the QR code in the center display and your welcome screen will appear. You can now begin enjoying all the functions and remote services of the EX30 app. Volvo EX30 Quick Tips. The EX30 Wireless Charging. Charge your smartphone effortlessly with the EX30 dual-function charging pad. If you're using your key card, you can remove it once the car is on and place your smartphone on the charging pad, which is designed to hold even the largest smartphone securely. Volvo EX30 Quick Tips. The EX30 Side Mirrors. The side mirrors of your EX30 unfold automatically when unlocking your car and fold in when locking. Adjusting your side mirrors has been integrated into the center display. Just tap the car icon to access vehicle settings, followed by the mirror icon. A window will guide you on making the desired adjustments using the arrow buttons on your steering wheel, and the settings can be saved to your driver profile. Volvo EX30 Quick Tips. The EX30 Key Card. Your EX30 comes with a wallet-sized key card that can be used to unlock and start your car. To unlock your car, tap the card on the icon next to the driver's side window with a logo facing up. To start your car, place the key card on the wireless charging pad with the logo facing up. Once your car is started, you may remove it for your journey, and the charging pad can now be used to charge your phone. After arriving at your destination, locking your car is just as easy. Simply tap the icon next to the window and you're all set. Volvo EX30 Quick Tips. The EX30 Headlights. The default settings for your EX30 headlights are designed for optimal driving, but if you have your own preferences, you can set them in the center display. Just press the lights icon in the Quick Controls menu on your display to change your settings, including primary lighting modes and exterior lights. Your settings are automatically saved for every time you drive. High beam control is still done through the steering wheel stalk, making it easy to switch back and forth. Volvo EX30 Quick Tips. The EX30 Key Tag. The key tag allows you to unlock your EX30 simply by approaching it. No need to remove it from your purse or pocket. Just have it on you, and your car will wake up and unlock automatically as you approach. You can also lock and unlock your car by placing your thumb on the groove of the driver's side door handle. Once inside, your EX30 turns on automatically, and when you arrive at your destination, your EX30 locks as you walk away. Volvo EX30 Quick Tips. The EX30 Volume Controls. You can conveniently adjust volume levels using the up-down arrows on your steering wheel. Adjustments can also be made through the center display. Simply tap the volume icon and drag the slider back and forth. You can also individually adjust the volume for media, calls, and navigation to your preferred level. Volvo EX30 Quick Tips. The EX30 Alarm. Our EX30 alarm system is designed to keep your car and valuables safe. If someone forcefully attempts to open a door, the hood, or tailgate, the alarm will activate and you'll receive a notification on your phone. To turn it off, simply unlock the car through the app or on the door handle with your key card, key tag, or the digital key on your smartphone. You can also adjust your alarm settings through the center display, such as alarm sensitivity when you expect significant movement in or around your car.